know, it's like you got to come down like this, not way up here. God dog it, what time is the next train coming? What I'm doing, I'm in, ain't I in West Virginia? Okay, Stokesbury, West Virginia. And what we're showing now is a replica of the house that Daddy used to live in. It was next door where that trailer home is. It's torn down and gone, as you can see. But this is how his house used to look. The Whites, Mr. and Mrs. White used to live in this house, and Dad and Papa and his whole crew lived in the house next door. I'm showing you this house because he says it's the exact duplicate of what they used to live in. Mess, but this is a 4-room house that Dad and them used to live in that I just showed you outside. Size 10 by 12, and this used to be Mama and Papa's bedroom. Okay? Go in. I mean, sleep in. Okay. Here's the bedroom where the girls used to sleep. And this is about a size 9 by 12 room. I mean, these rooms are really large. It is a mess. Very large kitchen. There's the back door. Turned around. And here's the other side of the kitchen. And behind the refrigerator is the doorway to the girls' room. Whew. And here is unbelievable. The movie truly star. How old were you then? Telling the pork chop story.
How old were you then, huh?
I guess 10 or 12.
You're about 10 or 12 years old now.
I was coming from the store with an open bag of pork chop, right? And I was walking alongside of the creek with a pork chop on the side of the creek. And all of a sudden I hear some pork chops fall into the creek that plop, plop, plop. And I looked, and all of a sudden I don't have no pork chops. And I saw them floating down the creek, right? And I looked, but it was kind of like they didn't all fall at once. Look, now the first pork chop was going under the bridge. And time the first pork chop, the first pork chop was making this turn.
Now, Mama didn't have no money. She scraped up some money to get these pork chops.
And then I brought the pork chop in there and dumped them in the creek.
And he dumped them in the creek.
But you know, my mother was, I don't think she'd be in for that.
She never gave him a whooping for that. Can you imagine?
Good mama, right?
Now we get ready to go to where the creek is.
Yeah. This is something else. Hey, look right here. This is why these pork chops are going right down through here. I can see the pork chops going right down through here, right?
So here's where the pork chops plop, plop, plop. There they go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is too funny.
See, all got pork chops. I don't know how many children in the family, but I guess 6 children in the family at the time.
Yeah, that's a serious creek. So here's where the pork chops went down the creek. I guess some fish were pretty, they would say thank you. Sorry to tell. At the creek.
At the creek.
Okay, here's Daddy.
The black folks lived up the hollow, and the white folks lived in the lower part of the hollow, right? And it would be 100 different nights, and in the summertime. and the temperature would be like 85, 90 degrees, right? The 100 dippers come and turn the tortoise on its edge, and them 100 dippers take it and dip that manure out into the creek. And you find doo-doo coming all down the creek,
down through here, under there, and the doo-doo would come all the way out there.
And go all the way down to Mother.
And go all the way down to Mother.
Sometimes you got to Mother's the fish
and that was called the honey dip, the honey dip affair. Once a year.